Hi guys, thanks for watching Avery Home Search. I was looking through my flash drives and realized we had some footage from some open houses that we walked, trying to get ideas for what to put in the home we're going to sell and actually how to dress up the home that we're going to purchase. And we thought this was a cool one to share with you. As you see, this is open concept, 2-bedroom paired cottage. So half of this home is shared with another unit for another family. So this is one side of the unit that we're in, and we like the counter space in this particular unit. As you see, there's a lot of places to store, a lot of drawers, a lot of counter space. So I think they really laid out this kitchen pretty well, like the tall ceilings. And one of the things that we noticed when we were looking for an oven to put in the unit that we're selling, and this is the one that we actually chose. As you see, they got the deep sink, got the microwave and the dishwasher. So here's the bedroom, and I'm gonna let the video play from here because we pretty much explain everything that we're looking at the rest of the way. But one of the things I wanted to point out is this fireplace, this little sitting nook area. Oh wow. Closets.
Yeah.
An actual closet that Andrew can. Wow, I like this. Okay. Shower. Vanity. Yes. Bathroom. Let's go downstairs where your dad is. Okay, let's go. I have forgot how long this video was taken. This footage was taken in the wintertime. We still had our winter coats on.
Look at the space downstairs. So check out the space downstairs.
Okay, nice light. Oh, okay. Got a lot of storage down here. So this is like a paired cottage. Paired cottage. Okay.
Wow.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Back upstairs. So this is one of the reasons we usually go to open houses, because you can get a lot of interesting ideas and find out what's trending in the homes and what they're building with. Because believe it or not, over the years, a lot of the building materials, floor plans, even what they use to decorate or for appliances are changed. Thanks so much for watching. We really enjoyed touring this house, and I hope you did too.